everybody, and welcome back to my channel. You guys know what this is. According to the title, it is another freebie kind of that you guys can get from Amazon. I did this video years ago after Ben was born, like right after Ben was born. I didn't even know it existed, but Amazon had a baby registry box. Now, the thing about Amazon is they have like this list that you have to check off, and you have to have one of every single item checked off. And if you don't want it, you gotta check it off, or you gotta add it to your list. So back then, you just had to have it added to your list, and they sent you a free box. Now they've changed it up a bit, that you guys get this box after you fill out your gift registry for the baby 100%. Then, if either you or somebody else spends $10 or more, you yourself get a free Amazon box. And I know last time I opened it, I had some really great goodies. This is probably a very good box. So I do have a baby registry. I'm not really registering for a lot of stuff. I'm just registering for like pacifiers, a couple things here and there. But I really didn't need to register anything on Amazon. I actually registered on Target. The Target website, that's where my actual registry is, but this one I just made a fake one. I don't even think I have it even public. I just have it this fake. So what I ended up doing is making a whole list, just making sure everything was checked off, because I don't need half of this stuff on there. But I made everything checked off, and then what I ended up buying is like a little outfit that was like 10 bucks for me to get this box. Funny thing is, I ordered this box, I ordered the item like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and they said this box wasn't going to come until 2 weeks later, and I says I'm totally fine with waiting 2 weeks. Well, what funny thing is every time I order something from Amazon, I always do the no rush shipping, because I have Amazon Prime. But with the no rush shipping, you get $1 digital credit to use for something, either digital music, digital movies, anything. So I always do that, because sometimes that stuff comes within a couple days anyway, so it's not even, you know, it's not even worth it. But I love doing the $1 digital bonus. That's something if you guys are interested in, if you have Amazon Prime. I end up buying all these old school Disney movies that I watched when I was a little kid. So there's that. But what the funny thing is the outfit got lost. It got lost. It was in Ohio for like a week. So they gave me an option to cancel it and get a refund. So what I ended up doing is canceling it and asking for a refund, and they said they denied me. So then I chatted with somebody, and they're like, well, it's still in transit. I'm like, well, it hasn't updated in over a week and a half. They're like, well, it's still on its way. I says, I don't care. If you guys aren't going to refund it for me, that's fine. Just find out where the heck it is. So then I just got it in the mail yesterday. So it took 2.5 weeks to get here. It was out on delivery for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So it's crazy, but I know you guys don't care about that. You want to know what's inside this Amazon box. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So yeah, if you know anybody who needs some baby stuff, have them start a registry, and then they can get this box once somebody fulfills, or themselves fulfill, at least $10 of whatever's on their registry. So even if you put like a piece of crap item on there, you could do it as long as it's on your registry. It counts as a baby registry item. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. So it says, Varoom, learn how to make every moment of a brain building moment. I don't know what Varoom is, but we got that. And inside is like a little box with the thing. Now they have pump number 1, 2. They got some like temperature tests. Oh, they just got some stuff of what to do for a baby. So inside it says, we hope you enjoy this special delivery. Compliments of Amazon Baby Registry. So yeah, just like that. But I will be deleting that registry anyways, because there's nothing I really need from Amazon. But I'm excited to see what I got. And right now, just from the looks of it, I am so excited. So here we got a breastfeeding guide. Oh, I don't know what it is. It looks like it's, I'm gonna open this up. It's from Advent. But it looks like it's the 2 different kinds of pad, one for nighttime and one for daytime. They're the breastfeeding pads so you don't leak. I never had a problem with Ben. So I never really got to use these, but just in case, you never know. I have these just in case, and I still have some from when I had Ben because I thought I needed it, but I pumped. That's all I did was pump with him, so I didn't really have to worry about leaking. Okay. Next item we got is a sample of the Dreft. Now, I already got a sample of these in one of my other boxes that I got for free, but this is just regular laundry detergent. I'm hoping she doesn't need this. When I had my son, I just used my regular laundry detergent. Everybody says you got to use this stuff. I just used regular stuff. I didn't do anything special for the baby, but we'll see. Every baby is different, so we'll see if I need to use this or not, or I could just use all of her clothes first before she wears them. We got that. Here we got a sample of the Honest diapers. Now it looks like there's 2 diapers in here and a pack of wipes. There's 10 wipes in here. These are size 1 diapers, and I'm just going to open this up just to share with you guys what kind of designs they have. Like, here's the thing. I love these diapers. I will never pay for them because I'm cheap. But they are so cute that I'm afraid to use it. Now these are the same diapers I got in a different box. I think it was Target, I think. But we got a panda and little giraffes. So those are super cute. And then also there is a pack of wipes. So, and you know what? It's going to be hard for me to use these because these are so cute. I hate using super cute stuff. I'm going to get rid of this paper. It's annoying the crap out of me. Here's another thing that I absolutely love is getting a full-size bottle. Now, she might be different than my son, but we use the Advent brand bottles. I love these bottles. I had like a stash of bottles in my refrigerator, so whenever she needed it, I had 2 ounces in every bottle, and the husband can give it to her whenever, or give it to my son whenever. So, perfect full-size bottles, and these are actually super easy to clean. Oh, you guys. So excited to try this. Now this is the Boone brand. This is also a bottle. It's a little bit different. They didn't have these when I had my son. But what you do is after you put breast milk in a bag, you just put the bag in here, I think is what it is. Because there's like a hole right here on the side. So you can just kind of do that instead of dirtying up a whole bottle. So that's a full-size bottle right there. So that's super cool. Water wipes. I get these all the time. I've never really used these, but got some water wipes. Now here we got a cool little bag. Now I thought this was super cute to use for on the go with Pampers. And I said this in my Target bag or Target video. Definitely sign up for the Pampers rewards if you guys haven't done this already. You guys get, there's points on every single packs of diapers and baby wipes. You just sign up and you get some free stuff. I've gotten free stuff. So I love this bag. This is so easy just to take with me while I'm shopping, so I don't have to bring the whole diaper bag with me. When she gets to a certain point, all I need is a couple diapers and a pack of wipes. Voila. The bag is ripped. It's like ripped. Look at that. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. If I could just take some duct tape, I could fix it right up. So inside this, we got more Dreft laundry detergent. We got 1 pack of diapers, and I don't know if this is new. Oh, this is size 1, so we got a size 1. And then they also gave us another pack of baby wipes. Now there's 6 wipes in this one, and this one does not have. Can you go away for a second? This does not have the code for the free gifts. And then they give you coupons, and these are probably Amazon coupons. No coupons. The thing said there was coupons inside. Here they go. So here we got coupons. $1.50 off diapers. And these don't expire till September, so we're golden on that. Sorry, I have a cold. But bunch of coupons. And then there's one last item on here. Now again, when I had my son, I got twice as much stuff in this box. Twice as much stuff. So there's that, but hey, I'm still happy. And then here we got a full size 1 premium cotton muslin blanket, muslin blanket. It's a swaddle blanket, and there is giraffe, or why can't I speak? zebras on it. That is so cute. That is so cute. I don't even know if I want to open this. Let's see how soft it is. So here we got 20% off Amazon. But yeah, it's just like a little blanket to swaddle her in. So that is super cute. So definitely recommend getting a box like this if you guys want that. I should probably watch my video that I made years ago about what I got last time, because I felt like I got twice as much. Sorry, I got insulation. I feel like I got twice as much when I got this box with Ben, but that was the first year they started doing it. So I'm pretty excited. I just wanted to share with you guys this in case you guys are having some babies and you want to get some free stuff. But definitely sign up for the Amazon registry. And sorry, I have a cold. But so, hopefully you guys can sign up for your own registry and do that. I think that's perfect. I mean, you get some pretty good stuff for free. I mean, some of those bottles right there are worth like $5 a piece, and I don't even know how much that blanket's worth. But that was absolutely free with a $10 purchase. So just want to say thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and I don't know what else to tell you. What else do you want to say?
I don't need to go. I can't get this out.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody. Okay, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.